welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2013 SZ Ford Territory, 6-cylinder automatic rear-wheel drive, and had a bit of a tap in the rear. It's got a good front on it, airbags haven't gone off, the wheels got some tiny marks, there's our damage in the rear there. Upper tailgate's still okay I believe, doors there, scrape on that door, cloth trim inside, front and back. Pop the bonnet. Oh. There we are. Standard fare in there, nothing over the top. So it's got a good front on it. Yeah, compliance plates have started up, 123,000 kilometres. Okay, there we are. There we are, August 13. Our paint code, our VIN number, transaction codes. We'll jump in and start it up. 123,953 kilometres. Away we go. Bulletproof engine, so all the way about there. So there it is. One Territory for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. So once again, if you need any Territory parts or any other car parts for that matter, give the Parts Plus guys a call on that number up there, 0246461733. They'll be only too glad to help you out. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.